we are around Susan's house today to do fireworks, and yeah, I thought I'd film. So we're a bit early this year, but we're going to do fireworks. We got Midnight Mania 17-piece selection box. Got traffic light, conic fountain. We've got dynamite. Oh, that's good to say, isn't it? Dynamite. And then we've got another Midnight Mania and some rockets. So, and then we're going to do some food. And we're going to have crumpets and soup and all things. Oh, poof. This is a traffic light one, so it's red. So it's giving off red smoke. Hello everybody, so it's another day, another dollar. It is Saturday the 5th of November now, so it's actually firework night, so happy firework night if you're watching. Why is the camera wonky? But me and Charlie are heading into Bristol today to go and see Beauty and the Beast, and I thought I'd take you along with me. So that's the plan, and yeah, we're gonna go and see that, and we're going quite early, so it's like 8:30 at the minute. We're gonna have a mooch around Bristol, and then obviously going to the theatre, so it's super exciting. So if that's something you want to see, then stay tuned, and yeah. Also, I'm definitely putting Christmas songs on the car journey. So this is turning into a bit of a weekend vlog now. I did film firework night on Wednesday just because we couldn't do it because we're in Bristol on the actual day. So yeah, that's why I was going to do a separate vlog for this, but I didn't really get much content on when I did fireworks, so this vlog is continued. I hope you don't mind, but let's get going.
No, it is way too early for this.
It's never too early for Christmas.
No, this is too early. Way too early. Should be listening to
Can't you hear me? This is the best time of year, Charlie.
It's the best time of year in a month's time. Oh, don't get me wrong.
Happy bonfire night.
Here is bonfire night. You can't be doing this.
So guys, we made it to Bristol. We're just in the centre. We're just gonna have a mooch round Bristol town. Okay guys, the Christmas decks are up, so we are definitely gonna go get mulled wine. We need a picture in there. Basically at Winter Wonderland in Bristol. Oh, this is the entrance. I'm so glad I listened to Christmas music on the way here though.
That's what Christmas is all about right there.
Yeah.
Baby Jesus.
I'm watching it fall. Oh, they look nice.
Oh, this is our.
from the Shakeaway. I've got mulled wine. That is lovely. We've just been at the Christmas market for a while, so I'm a bit tiddly. I've had a few too many mulled wines, and we're going to go and get some food now. So never been in this place before. It's called Coal Kitchen. I don't know if it's a chain or not, but they've got lovely Christmas decorations up, which I'll show you. How stunning their wreaths are, and then they've got lovely flowers on the bar, and they've got the Christmas stars up. So you've ordered Corn Star Martinis, passion fruit martinis, a lime, basically the same. This is what they look like. They come with flowers on top. So Charlie's got a purple one and I've got the yellow one. And then we've got 2 shots, which are actually quite big. Gonna be a fun night. Hard to do this. So we've been back to the hotel. It's a little bit later on. To be fair, we had dinner and then went back to the hotel and literally got changed and then came back out. But we're a bit early, so it's like 5:30. I can't believe how dark it is already. But yeah, we're literally in the pub next door to Beauty and the Beast, waiting for it to open because we got the VIP experience. So we want to get there early just to make sure we make the full experience of it.
Get our money's worth.
Get our money's worth, basically. We're in the stalls now. We're just about to watch Beauty and the Beast. It's going to be so good. I'm so excited.
I'm ecstatic.
Hello everybody. So we're back in our hotel room and we've been to see Beauty and the Beast. It wasn't my favourite theatre showing, but it wasn't my worst, so I would recommend it if you're a Beauty and the Beast fan. But yeah, we're back now. We've had another drink. Don't know if you can tell, but I've had another drink afterwards, and obviously I was drinking the whole way through. But VIP experience I actually really recommend, because if you're in the theatre and you need to go to the toilet as a woman, like, there's no queue, believe it or not. So I recommend it for that reason. But yeah, we're back in the hotel. We're just chilling now. I got my Kinder Bueno and a Coke, and we're actually watching The Kingsman. But I'm probably gonna close off this part of the video. I don't know if I'm gonna film tomorrow. I might not. So yeah, I'll let you know tomorrow if I do anything else, but I'm not sure I'm going to, because I don't know. But if not, I'll see you tomorrow, and if not, I'll see you another time. But don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, do all the things. But yeah, that's the tea. Good morning everybody. So we have decided to come to Bath and have a look round this morning, and then we're going to go back home. But yeah, I'm going to take you along and go to Bath. We're just trying to pay for the car park. Right guys, I'm not going to lie, I didn't end up filming because if you can't tell by the state of me, it is absolutely pissing it down. And I didn't film anything in Bath because I was more worried about the rain. But we're going home now, so I think I'm going to end the vlog here. Don't think we're going anywhere else, are we?
No, it's too bad.
Look at how dry he looks.
Dry as a bone.
You get pneumonia guys, and it's going to be all his fault. But anyway, I'm going to love you and leave you. Hope you liked today's video. First Christmas video of the season. And yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Bye! Surely you would.